Pasta. Ever since the Italians introduced it way back in the day, it's been a treasure for all to enjoy. Popular memes have made spaghetti a delicacy. We are going to have some pasta.
You will need the following: the pasta of choice, a big pot, a strainer, and a skillet. Also, you'll need a jar of sauce. You can add in meat if you want, but if you do, you'll need a spatula. Fill the pot halfway with water. Yep, about halfway. Set the stove to hot. Wait until the water begins to boil. You'll know when it's boiling, when it's bubbling like a witch's brew. Add the pasta. Put the strainer in the sink. Make sure to stir the pasta, otherwise it'll get stuck on the bottom. Nobody wants that. Once the timer goes off, take the pasta off the heat. Pour the pasta into the strainer. While the pasta is straining, let's make the sauce. Meat is optional. Now, if you have sausage links, like me, you need to take the casing off each one. Take a knife, much like this one. Slide the tip of the blade down the spine of the sausage. Casing should come right off. Repeat for each sausage. Put them on a plate. Now throw them onto the skillet. Saute the meat by separating the links into little chunks. When the meat has changed color, preferably a peach color, add the sauce. Sure. Mix it in. Get a nice good coating on each piece of meat. The more meat you have, more sauce. I have a trick. Put a little water in the jar. Shake the jar. And then pour the jar's contents into the skillet. This way you don't waste any sauce. Let that boil for a bit. Eventually, the sauce will be done. Take some pasta. Good ball of it, dude. I mean literally ball. Top it with some Parmesan and maybe some basil. And there you have it. Perfection. Mwah!